today's video, we will fix the TradingView desktop app not opening and working. Crashing loading fix. So here is how you can easily fix this issue. Step 1 is to end the background process and relaunch the app. So the app may be stuck in background process. In that case, you can simply close the app completely. Then after, you can double tap on the TradingView icon in the bottom and then simple quit the app if it will not quit. Okay. Also, you can click on the Apple icon in top right corner. Same as you can simply click on force quit. And now simple quit the TradingView app here. Okay. Same as on Windows, you can simple completely close the app. The next step is you can simple clear the app cache and memory. Okay. So if your app having a cache memory, so you will find it on the library folder. So you can simple go to the your iCloud folder. Then after here you can you can simple click on the macOS HD. Then after go to library, go to application support, and here you will find the TradingView name if any cache file available. Right now nothing is available. I already cleaned it, that's why not available. If here you will find the cache memory, you can simply delete it. Same as on your Windows, you can right click on it and go to app data, then roaming and TradingView, and then restart the app. Next step is you can simple on for Windows users, you can run the app as administrator. Permission issues can be blocked launch. So right click on it and click on run as administrator. Next step is to update and reinstall the app. Outdated or broken installation cause the crash. In that case, you can simple reinstall the app using your browser. Okay, so you can simple open your browser and then here you can type the TradingView desktop application and then you will get the APK link. The next step is you can simply disable the any kind of antivirus or firewall protection. So security software may block app execution. In that case, you can simply temporarily disable the antivirus or firewall if you applied here any kind of for the Windows users mainly, because for Mac many users don't use antivirus. So for Mac users you can disable all kind of antiviruses. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Okay, goodbye.